JDCap26 here, just do just repairs and hobbies. Welcome, guys and girls. And as my channel is a very diverse channel, we have different things on my channel. And today I want to show you how to put a picture on a folder. Okay? So let's take a look at what we have here. A folder here, and we're going to right click on it and we're going to name it. And we're going to name it steak. Okay, and we got this picture right here, and we're going to left click to open, and then we go up to edit and go to select all. Then on your keyboard you're going to hit Command C, then you're going to close it, go to your folder, right click, that's a right click, and then left click to get info. This opens up. You're going to right click on the folder, and then you're going to hit Command V on your keyboard. Okay, and see how it shows up? You just close it. Now you got a folder here and a picture here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this picture and drag it into your folder. And there it is in your folder. Okay, and there's your folder with the steak recipe or steak in there. You could do this for recipes. I'm doing this for recipes. I did this for all my recipes. And you could do it for anything you want. Your photos, your hobbies, anything you want to do to identify what the folder is right away. You could look at it and say, oh, okay, we're in a recipe for steaks, or we're in the recipe for fishing lures, or this or that. And I want to show you that's what you do on the Imac, okay? Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.